Hi, this is Sahana. In this session, we are going to understand one more important file, that is ViewStart file. This is our ASP.NET Core MVC application. If you look at the project structure, here we have views folder. If you expand views folder, you can find views_viewstart.cshtml. What is ViewStart file? It is a special file containing a code that needs to run before it. If you look at this file has a single line of code. Here we are setting underscore layout to layout property. Here this underscore layout refers to the layout file. Here inside this views folder we have shared folder. Here we have underscore layout.cshtml. This file contains the actual layout of our application. Since we have specified layout in ViewStart file, we don't have to specify layout in each of the files. We don't have to specify layout in each of the view files. With this file, we get different benefits like this reduces code duplication and we can easily organize the code and we can define global settings that can be applied to all the views in the directory. For example, if I remove layout from here, I'll comment this code, then I will have to specify layout in each of the view files. Inside views folder, we have so many different views. Expand article, see how many views we have. Inside home folder, again we have different views. Inside tutorial, we have different views. I should open each of the view files and specify the layout. For example, I will open index.cshtml. I will open index view from this home folder. Then after view data, I'll specify layout using layout property. I should specify layout underscore layout. See, like this, I should open each of the view files and I should specify the layout. First of all, this will waste our time. It becomes difficult to manage the code, and coding best practice says don't repeat yourself. But we don't specify layout in ViewStart file. We are repeating the same code everywhere. That is the reason framework has given us this ViewStart file, and we should make best use of that file. It is always a good practice to specify layout in ViewStart file. I'll uncomment this line. There is one more special case. If you specify layout in ViewStart file, same layout will be used by all the views. In some case, you want to use different layout only for this index view inside home folder. Then you can specify that particular layout using layout property. Then this layout will override the layout specified in ViewStart file. Instead of, let's say you have created new layout file saying layout home, you can specify that layout file here using layout property. In that case, index view from this home folder, then only that view will have different layout and rest of the views will have common layout. One more important thing to remember is application can have multiple ViewStart files. Inside views folder, we have this ViewStart file which is common for all the views. If you want to have specific ViewStart file for all the views inside this article folder, then you can right click on add new item. You can search for ViewStart. Here you can choose Razor ViewStart. See, this will add ViewStart to this article folder and all the files inside this folder will make use of this ViewStart file. Not only layout, if you want something that should be common for all the view files, you can specify them here. That's it for today's session. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.